Hey guys, my name is Vlad and I'm a graphic designer slash product designer, and my business has just reached over 1 million in sales, and it's only been a year and a half. 2020 and 2021 has been the biggest, craziest, pivotal moment in history of the internet. And this is the time for creative people to jump on the internet to really start making serious income. And in this channel, I want to talk about exactly how I did it. I wanted to share with you guys the journey, the techniques, the strategies, the mindset, the perspective that you should have on the new changing world, on the new internet, that will really help you stay above everybody else. And in an ever-changing world, people are talking about automation taking over so many jobs. If you're a truck driver, your job is going to be gone with self-driving cars. If you are a accountant, or you do a lot of in the accounting space, that's going to be really taken over by all these softwares and all these computers. If you're a customer service representative, then AI is going to take over that job. So people are even talking about the universal income, because the automation is going to wipe out a lot of the jobs that people currently have. So if you're in the place where you think that you can easily be replaced by a machine, by a computer, by an AI, then you really need to think about it. Am I able to make a stance on the internet and have a valuable and unreplaceable stance? As the CEO of Etsy.com said, creativity cannot be automated. And I believe that with all my heart, because you cannot automate creativity, you cannot automate art, you can't automate music. There's so much of who we are as humans, and we're coming back to the basics. What does it mean to be human? And really answering that is vital. And I think the creative people really have the advantage here. We really have something that no computer can generate, can replicate. So that's why I think creative people now on the internet are so valuable, more valuable than ever in history. When you're looking at the famous artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Picasso, all those people, their life stories. Art has not been one of their biggest financial breaks, right? But now on the internet, it's become more and more important for us as creative people to get on there, to start work, to start a job, start a business on the internet, because we really have the value. So if you make videos, if you do graphic design, if you do web design, if you're a blogger, a photographer, you just keep going on that list. If you're a creative person, this is the time for you to really start the business, really start thinking seriously about your potential. And my wife and I started a store. We started a product store, and I'll talk about more in the videos to come. But we started literally right before COVID started. And looking at our graphs, we have just blown up during that time. During the time that people went on lockdowns, people had to stay home, and internet was the only way for them to leave the house virtually. And we've seen the change that the internet has undergone. It has been incredible. And largely in our success was the timing of when we started a business. And so I really want to encourage every creative person to really start thinking about seriously, like, what can I do? What value can I provide? Because I'm a creative person, and automation has taken over the world. And if I'm stacking shelves, or am I an accountant sitting there counting, or I'm a truck driver, there's something that I have to think about. What does it mean to be human? What can a computer not replace? And really start seriously thinking about those avenues of becoming your income. And so in this channel, I really want to talk about what those might be, and how to properly think as a creative to really start making that income, really start making the profits that will really help you go away from work that is going to go away either way, whether you like it or not. I think now is the really good time. This is a very pivotal moment in the internet where things are becoming a lot more legitimate. I don't know if you ever guys have heard NFTs, or non-refundable or non-fungible tokens. They are basically, in a basic sense, it is one more step to legitimizing the internet, legitimizing what people do on the internet. It's using that blockchain technology that will become a very fundamental element of the internet, and it will legitimize everything that you do on the internet. So creatives will even have even more power, more authority in the online space. So really, you guys have to start thinking seriously about this. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll have more videos. I'll just post. I was waiting to set up a good production studio and really get my schedule in order, because I have run a very busy business, and I realized how urgent the internet is progressing and developing. There's no time to wait. And so that's why I decided to just tape a phone to one of my machines, sit in front of it, and give you guys content that I believe is going to help you. So I'm gonna be recording videos like this. They're not gonna be crazy edited video. It's gonna be straightforward. It's real talk. It's really, how do you go from working from your garage, which that's my first video. If you guys want to see, check it out. My first video, I actually filmed it in the garage, so it's a good timestamp to really confirm that, yeah, this guy did do something. But I'm just gonna sit in front of my phone, and I'm just gonna show you how you can get from your garage, or how can you even start from your garage. What kind of products or what kind of business should you look at? And you could start from your garage and then advance to a bigger shop, having employees, and really benefit you. So I'm just gonna literally tape my phone to my machine and talk to you guys about the techniques and perspectives on how you should think in an ever-changing world, ever-changing internet, to be successful as a creator. All right, I'll see you guys next time.